Hey everyone, this is Joy from Spark Corporate Training. I'm here to share this video tutorial to show you how to create a list of file hyperlinks using a click and drag method. Now, as you can see on the right hand side, I've got OneNote already showing a set of hyperlinks. And then on the left is the original files that generated those hyperlinks. Now, we all know how to create hyperlinks using a technique here in OneNote, clicking on the Insert tab and clicking Link, and then the folder icon to navigate to the source location where I can insert only one link at a time by clicking OK. Once I complete that, it will show up. However, that would take a long time if you had dozens or more files that you wanted to bring into OneNote as hyperlinks. So the way to do it quickly and easily is to use Word as an intermediary application. So I'm going to bring up Word, and as I click on the File Explorer window, we're going to use the right click and drag method on the selected file. So right click and drag is actually going to give you this pop-up menu that says Create Hyperlink here. Now check this out. It includes the source path as well as the file name. And that can be useful, but we actually don't need it. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the path and use a technique in the replace dialog box to replace it with a hard return, meaning it's going to put a line break between each of these files. So as you can see, that is the path. We don't need it. We're going to replace it with a hard return. And as I click replace all, we now have a beautifully organized list of hyperlinks. So I want to take that to the opposite side of my screen. This window is going to go on the left. And as I position it on the left, now it's ready to click and drag in its entirety into the OneNote window. And there it is. We now have a legitimate, fully functional set of hyperlinks for, in this case, 7 files all at once. So the brief intermediary application step is to simply replace the path with the hard return, and you're good to go. If I click on any one of these links, it will nicely launch that particular file, in this case, in my browser, but otherwise it's fully functional. And all I can do, all I might want to do is maybe add some bullet to this list. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day.